Speaking of food, apparently the honeymoon is over between McDonald's and Walmart.
Oh, no?
You know how you have like a McDonald's inside the Walmart? Apparently it hasn't been going well.
Really? Oh.
Are you very upset about this?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Partnership between the largest restaurant chain and the largest retailer in the world has been fraying for years.
Wow, it's that bad, eh?
This summer, hundreds of McDonald's eateries located inside Walmart stores across the U.S. are slated to close because of sluggish business, a trend accelerated by the pandemic. So I think...
Weird.
Photo.
Yeah. Well, I think it's a video. Just stopped it. There's an army in front of Walmart for some reason.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Unrelated. They're going to McDonald's.
Yeah.
Yeah, because with the pandemic stuff going on, you go into the Walmart, it's a different experience, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not as kind of, and also people are being more careful with the funds, with the money. Mm-hmm. And maybe they go through and they just did all their shopping and they had a big bill. And it was like, I don't know, a couple $100. And then they see the McDonald's, it's like, it's just a rough time for a lot of restaurant related stuff. Like I noticed even Starbucks been closing shops and investing in more shops that have drive-throughs. And one of the weird things for McDonald's is they're saying, well, we're leasing these spaces in the Walmarts, which don't have a drive-through. And meanwhile, our drive-through location down the street is jam-packed.
Yeah.
So there's something about the foot traffic-based restaurants, because Subway's in trouble. They're closing stores too.
Are they?
Yeah, Subway's closing stores too. In July, McDonald's said in its second quarter earnings report, it would be closing 200 restaurants in 2020, and half of them were going to be the lower sales volume Walmart locations. Now, the way this works inside of a Walmart, by the way, Walmart actually leases that space to McDonald's. So Walmart's going to turn around and probably try to lease it to some other.
Yeah.
I know actually Domino's was in a conversation.
Oh, yeah.
To potentially just put the Domino's right inside of the Walmart. Another thing that McDonald's was apparently not super happy about was that sometimes Walmart would renovate the store, the whole store, but not the McDonald's portion of the store. That would be McDonald's business to take care of. And so oftentimes you would have like an outdated McDonald's inside of a brand new Walmart. It would be a weird look to it.
Right.
So I don't know. Anyway, whatever. You know how these relationships go. Two mega companies and they're like, fine, we'll just close these stores real quick.
Wow. I thought that they would be doing really well because a lot of kids go to Walmart.
I know, but I'm just saying right now.
Families.
Right now with the pandemic, it's fewer people in the store.
Yeah.
Everyone's got the mask on and they're like, even the kid at the end is like, can I get the fries or whatever? And the parent's like, ugh, not right now. We got to get out of here.
Yeah.
It's just nothing is quite as spontaneous.
Yeah.
Anyway, it leaves a few remaining. I don't know. Since you're going to miss it so much, maybe the local one will stick around. I don't know.
Yeah. Let's hope.
But they're closing them down.